So sometimes it's beneficial to give some foliar feeding to your plants. I've already mixed in wetting agent and foliar feed for the plants, and I'm going to apply it now. Now the wetting agent is a must if you have glaucous-leafed plants like Fritillaria persica, Oleum giganteum, snowdrops, tulips, daffodils and irises. I usually apply the higher rate because these plants have really big waxy leaves or very waxy leaves, and now I'm going to use this pump sprayer, and I'm using this double-nosed head because it has better coverage for plants with narrow leaves. It's especially handy if you are going to spray irises and daffodils. Yep. And now I'm just put this on my back, mix it a little bit, shake it, and I start pumping. So when I get the end of the beginning of the bed, I can start spraying immediately. I already started spraying the fritillaries. You can see, because of the wetting agent, the leaves turned green from gray. And now I added more wetting agent, so it sticks better. It's also good if you use wetting agents for yuccas and other perennial plants. And now I just cover the plants with a light spray to make the leaves wet. Well, this is not ideal because I didn't have time to get the weeds out, and actually the weeds are going to grow much faster than my crop. These ornamental alliums, they look very nice. I really like them. And some vegetable alliums. It's also very beneficial for onion sets. When I use pesticides, I do apply a lighter spray. This is a foliar feed, so I can apply heavily if I want to. You can see that the spray sticks on the plants, on the leaves. And these daffodils are a little trickier to get. And because I'm right-handed, I have to go back each time at the end of the row or the bed, because this is how I can spray them well. It's a garden for right-handed person. You see, there are little odd ones out, like these hyacinths. They were so deep that I couldn't get them with the spade when I was planting the crop. Okay.